tell me about your organization behind the blockchain workshop and behind the blockchain hub that was here today at the summit.
Well, it's actually definitely a virtual enterprise and of several organizations together. One is K-Lab, which is an incubator here in Kigali. The other one, the Transform Africa team, which is organized by Smart Africa. And then our team that is also spread out in several continents, several individuals. But we coordinated. We got the locals did most of the hands-on logistics, and we put together the contents and got most of the speakers and all of this, and try to pull it together so that there is some energy injected into this conference about future technologies.
That's right. We love the energy, Bert. And tell me what your main purpose, your main mission of hosting these events this week would be for you.
I believe that technology drives human advancement, and I want to just identify technologies and facilitate them if they advance humanity. So no borders, not specific country or specific context, but wherever humans get empowered and can fulfill their dreams. And that is very close to the blockchain world, at least the premises and the promises of blockchain. So that's why it came very natural to me.
Bert, I love it. And also thank you so much for hosting us and having a great experience for everybody here today.
You're welcome.